I'm making this video about reckless driving in Seligman because we got a couple calls yesterday from people who were really extremely worried about the reckless driving. They got cited for reckless driving. They've got a case in Seligman. They don't live in Arizona. And they're calling me and saying, "Hey, man, I'm freaking out. What do I do?" A lot of our clients are tourists. They're here on an immigration visa or work visa, or they're just visiting the Grand Canyon with their family, and they get cited or sometimes even arrested for reckless driving. So what is reckless driving? Reckless driving is one of the more ambiguous laws that we have on the books in Arizona. And so it doesn't necessarily mean you have to do X, Y, Z to be cited for reckless driving. It simply means, if you look under the statute, it's a reckless disregard for the safety of others. But what the heck is reckless, right? So what one officer believes to be reckless, maybe another officer wouldn't believe is reckless. Sometimes we get what you would envision as the stereotypical reckless driving charge where somebody's weaving between lanes, cutting people off. Other times we'll get somebody going, I think we just got one 2 days ago where the person was going 100 miles per hour, no traffic, just going straight. And the officer said, "Yeah, that's reckless." And so what we do is we get involved with these cases and we see what we can do about negotiating a reduction, or in some cases even a dismissal of reckless driving. It is not something you want on your record, trust me. If you're convicted of reckless driving in Seligman, you're going to get 8 points on your driving record. Your insurance is going to absolutely skyrocket. Some people call us and say their insurance went up double, sometimes triple. Maybe even they were dropped by the insurance company. Very similar to a DUI in terms of the consequences for reckless driving on a motor vehicle record. 8 points against your driver's license. Mandatory traffic survival school. Traffic survival school is not defensive driving school. It's a penalty in addition to the conviction and the points. It does not erase points. It's a mess. So if you're watching this video and you've got a reckless driving charge or a case in Seligman, top priority, speak to an attorney, find out your options, find out what we can do. Investing a little bit of money in an attorney that has the level of experience that we do is going to pay off for you. The amount of insurance that you would have to pay for the conviction, the points on your license, the traffic survival school, we're talking, if you do nothing and you're convicted, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars over the long term. Hire us, we're going to do what we can to prevent that from happening. We've got an extremely accomplished track record. So, reckless driving charge in Seligman, Arizona. Call us anytime. You can ask for me. My name is Matt Lopez. I'm the owner and the manager of the firm. 602-980-1987.